Hey all you nature files, we're here in Glenbrook National Park in the Lower Blue Mountains. We're at the Euroka Campground and we are doing the walk down to the Nepean River that starts here. Let's go check it out together. As always, pack those bags, fill those water bottles, lace up those boots. Let's get going. So we want to head in that direction. So we've walked over that hill and now we're down by this creek and we head that way. That below is the extremely dry creek bed. Normally you would expect this area to be quite lush considering, but once again with the lack of rain, it is not. From here we begin our descent down to the river. Here we are, down by where the creek meets the gorgeous Napean River. So here we are at the Napean River. Not a bad view, right? Especially for such a short walk. Fairly easy. But being there and back, I gotta go back up that hill now. You get to enjoy it from the comfort of your own home, but hopefully you come out and check it out for yourself. Imagine it'd be a great swimming spot. Well, time to walk back up. I'll see you back at the car. So we're back at the start. As you can see, I'm fully sweaty now from that walk back up. for a short walk, great payoff. It's 24 degrees today, but it feels so hot. Just, there's water dripping off of me. It looks like I've just taken a shower. Anyways, definitely worth the effort despite my complaining. Some beautiful views along the way, as you can see. Anyways, come check it out for yourself. I would grade it as a medium to difficult just because of the incline. But, you know, again, that's up to you. Hope you enjoyed it anyway. As always, take care of yourselves, take care of nature, it'll take care of you. I'll see you on the next one, beautiful people. Bye.